What is up, LC Nation? So, Thursday, terrific Thursday. Our Metcon today, right? It's going to be every 4 rounds for 24 minutes. So, that first set, basically got 4 minutes to run a 400 meters. And then from there, the next set, it's going to be, got a couple of different options, right? So, you either have 10 deficit handstand push-ups, from 15 strict handstand push-ups, if not 20 kipping handstand push-ups, and a couple other ones, 25 seated strict press. You choose weight. From there, 4 wall climbers, if not 5 negatives. Just to go off of for the second set, right? On those 10 deficit handstand push-up, real no set on how much of an inch, feet, or you want on the deficit, but right, kind of feet off, right? If I kind of have a solid like 15 strict handstand push-ups, probably shouldn't be going there. Same format. I probably can't get like 20 kipping handstand push-ups. Probably shouldn't be messing around 15 strict. And then same thing too. This is totally up to you for the seated 25, right? If I have too much of a lightweight, right? If I don't have anything that's just, and I'm banging them out like in, I don't know, 10, 20 seconds, by all means, right? Choose either like those wall climbs, slowly go up onto the wall. If you don't have room for a wall, then I would say just stick to that of the seated press. And then 2, with these negatives, I would say negatives are going to be really transferring over where we're adding into like that kip, because we are able to handstand hold, we're able to kick up confidently, right? We're not spending like a minute or 30 seconds trying to kick up to the wall. We can kick up really super fast. It's just really having that tension in the shoulders, slowly going down for 5 reps. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So set 1, 4 minutes, set 2, another 4 minutes, and that'll be it for 24 minutes. Warm up. So we're gonna have 2 rounds. It's gonna go 30 seconds each movement. We're gonna have some nice good arm circles. This will be all from the ground, so Coach Rick's demo. So 3, 2, 1, he'll go right into his arm circles. After that, he'll go into these swimmer holds. So from there, yep, right arm will be holding, elbow nice and high, other arms out straight, and we'll switch. After that, he'll have just regular snow angels, reaching all the way. Make sure you rotate those palms, just like so, and then he'll go into swimmers, so now actually rotating back and forth. After that, he'll go into some downward dog press. From there, pressing on down, then as he presses up, head's going to his hips, or just as far back to his toes. And then from there, we'll stand on up, and then we'll have these figure 4s. And then after that, some cross arm bodies, 30 seconds. Each movement for 2 rounds, and then from here, we're gonna go into this warm-up prep, just basically warming up for that run. It's 3 rounds, so we're gonna go 10 quad reach. So we're gonna grab onto that quad, reach down. Oh yeah, that would be 1, switch on over. 2, go for 10 reps. And then from here, right, you're gonna have 50 feet worth of sprint stride. So on this, guys, you really wanna focus on really far reaching out every single time, right? I'm driving off through that midfoot. Basically, you're almost on your toes on that midfoot, striding it out for about 50 feet length, if not. Coach Breeze will demo that real fast. So like on 3, 2, 1. So really reaching out. After that, or if not, if you don't have that room, like if you're working out living room wise, just hold a 10-second long lunge. So really reach out far here, hold it in that running position. It's gonna feel awkward, but it's just gonna open up those hips. And then from there, you'll have 100 meters fast run. If we don't have 100 meters map out, just 20 seconds fast run, almost a sprint for that 20 seconds. Then after that, you'll have 10 knee to chest, be here grabbing back and forth. 10 reps of those, and we'll go through that 3 rounds.